Section B, question 30. Complete the words with correct prefixes and suffixes given in the brackets. For each and every question, there is two sub-questions. One will be prefix and the other will be suffix. There is no particular order. As per the given question, you need to answer. At last, I am going to provide key. If you want, you can take screenshot. Question 1. In that first sub-question, exclaimed, E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D, exclaimed. This is prefix. Second sub-question, quickly, L-Y-Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. This is suffix. Question 2. First sub-question, immediately, L-Y, at last. This is suffix. Second question means second sub-question, affixed, A-F-F-I-X-E-D, affixed. This is prefix. So if you observe here, this is prefix, suffix. Here it is suffix and then prefix. So there is no particular order. Third question, first sub question, sadness, double S at last. S-A-D-N-E-S-S, sadness. Second sub question, impossible, I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, impossible. Question 4. First sub question. Inhumane. I-N-H-U-M-A-N-E. Inhumane. Second sub question. Discovered. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Discovered. Question 5. Indivisible. I-N-D-I-V-I-S-I-B-L-E. Indivisible. Joyful. Only one L. J-O-Y-F-U-L. Joyful. Question 6. Occupation. T-I-O-N. Not S-I-O-N. Not S-I-O-N. T-I-O-N is right. Occupation. O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. Occupation. Second sub-question. Adorable. A-D-O-R-A-B-L-E. Adorable. Seventh question. First sub-question, unpredictable. U-N-P-R-E-D-I-C-T-A-B-L-E. Unpredictable. Second sub-question, inaccurate. I-N-A-C-C-U-R-A-T-E. Inaccurate. Eighth question. In that first sub-question, I-R R-E-S-P-O-N-S-I-B-L-E. Irresponsible. Second sub-question. Obligations. T-I-O-N-S. Obligations. Ninth question. First sub-question. Illiterate. I-L-L-I-T-E-R-A-T-E. Illiterate. Second sub-question. Punishment. M-E-N-T. Not M-I-N. M-E-N-T is right answer. P-U-N-I-S-H-M-E-N-T. Punishment. 10th question. First sub-question. Traditional. T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N-A-L. Traditional. Second sub-question. Prosperous. Prosperous. P-R-O-S-P-E-R-O-U-S. O-U-S. Okay, thank you for watching. Next, we will continue question 21. If you want, you can take screenshot of this. Okay. Question 30 answers you can see here. Complete word I given. Exclaimed quickly, immediately, affixed. Sadness, impossible. Inhumane, discovered. Indivisible, joyful. Occupation, adorable. Unpredictable, inaccurate. Irresponsible, obligations. Illiterate, punishment. Traditional, prosperous. Okay. Thank you for watching.